Hello all my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your money from spot internally on Bitget. So just stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Sima Crypto. And if you don't have a Bitget account, just go in my description below and you'll find the link. You open with me a Bitget account and you earn up to 3,000 US dollar. So with that said, let's dive into the video. So you will come on assets and you click on transfer. So once you're here, there is from where your money is coming from and where you want it to be. Here on Bitget, on every account that you want to trade, it is separate from the main account on Bitget. So here, as you can see from like here, there is this account. This one is separate from this one. This one is separated from this one. And the same applies to this one. They are all separated. So maybe you have the money from spot. When you come here, there is a lot of accounts. There is isolated margin, there is cross margin, USDC, there is coin, perpetuals, USDT, and peer-to-peer and spot. So if you have your money from maybe one of those accounts and you want to put it maybe in any of these accounts, so you just come here, you click here, you put the account where you want your money to be. So let me say coin, and if you want to see where the coin is, you come on trade and see all these coins. There is coin perpetuals, this one, all of these ones. So once you're here, you select even the coin where your money is. So you can select maybe XRP or any other coin that you wish your money is. So once you come here, you can select or you can put amount manually. So once you are done, you click on confirm, and if your account is having that amount, then your money will be transferred to coin perpetuals. The same applies to this one. You can interchange here the way how you want it. So that's all if you want to transfer your money internally on Bitget. If you have found value in this video, just like and comment on this very video so that you don't miss the next video. Bye for today. Good luck.